Yes, Sarsky, yeah, I'm cruising in the street right now, in that coupe, switching lanes, feeling insane. Ooh. Anyways, top of the top. Oh yeah, so we made it to the E85 station. Hopefully y'all can see me. A little dark probably. So yeah, we're about to go to that Legends Media little meet and greet type. I don't know if y'all follow Dustin Williams, but he's having like a little event in Temecula, and I was going to San Diego, so I was like, why not stop there for like an hour, get some content, and hopefully get to meet him, and then we head back to San Diego. Right now, 269 for the elote. I gotta get a haircut soon, man. And I just washed the car. Nice little wash. She looks shiny, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see how much it fills up. Shouldn't fill up with like 20 bucks. Not even less. Cause I'm halfway. So I don't know. I'm gonna say something. Sorry if the camera is a little too close to my face. So not even 7 gallons. 16 bucks, not bad. Half a tank. Updating the vlog now, change of plans. So I think we're just gonna go straight to San Diego because we want to take advantage of the time, you know what I mean? So we almost considered going to Vegas just for the day, just to go eat, and low-key it would have been dope if I flew over there, put some money on the Floyd fight, you know what I'm saying? Get easy money. What is that? Like a whole event. Bro, I ain't seen a lot of people like that in a while. It's been a minute since I've seen just people like in a big event type. Kind of weird now, to be honest, you know what I'm saying? But we're in Jurupa Valley, which I've never been in Jurupa Valley. I like going to places like this that look like hills and shit because there's a vibe. Because we live in such a fucking bot-town city that like everybody's on top of each other. There's traffic everywhere. Everybody's in a bad mood. It's like cities are designed to keep everybody controlled, like mice. You know what I mean? So it looks like we'll probably do like a little pit stop out in like these dope ass hills and shit because I've never been over here, so I want to intake how it feels, you know, because personally me, and speaking on her too, like when we've been to Portland, we've been to even Vegas, fucking Dallas, I've been to Seattle, Frisco, the Bay Area, bro, like the air quality, the vibes, the energy is so completely different from LA. Like LA's low-key feels so synthetic and so simulated if you ever really like pay attention, you know what I mean? Like it's weird. It's like everybody's like programmed, do this, do that, wake up, bada bada bada, you know?
Watch the news first thing in the morning.
Watch the news the first thing in the morning. First thing you do is like people go, first thing, if you don't watch the news, you still go to social media, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, bro.
Some time to get some fresh air.
Yeah, bro, it's like, I don't know, man, like, there's just so much in this world that like, people are so in a little bubble. I don't know, man. Fun fact, if you ever gotta use the restroom, go to Target, bro, because you know, most parts you gotta fucking go to the back, to the side, go ask for a code. Go to Target, bro. Restrooms are all, for the most part, 99% of the time are like right at the front by the register customer service. Fun fact, Big Zeus. My channel is not a card specific channel. It's just a channel of me, and I have a cool car, so I just incorporated it, you know? I hate when there be traffic, but there be no accidents, there be nothing, just be like long neck, heavy ass people and shit blocking traffic, or rubber neck having asses. You know them chickens with the little rubber? What's that? You know? Yeah, them long ones, that's what people be. Hey, shout out to Suicidal Tendencies, sticker, and then all I want is a Pepsi, you know that song, what song was that? Institutionalized, bruh. Bro, like me and Gladys used to love metal, specifically thrash, death metal, and punk. You know?
Yeah.
My first band, like I used to be so balls deep into metal. Like I'm gonna show y'all my little jean jacket I had with all these dope ass patches. System of a Down, and then I fell in love with Slipknot. Like Slipknot, I was like the ultimate. Like I was probably the most ultimate Slipknot fan in probably the South Central, for sure in the hood, you know what I'm saying? In the Crenshaw hood. Like, nobody was the biggest Slipknot fan than me. Like, people think automatically that metal's satanic, but in reality, like, bruh, like, every single genre of music is so satanic. It's all about symbolism. Like this is 666. You see a rapper storing it all day. Boom. You know what I'm saying? This shit is a Freemason sign. It's like, it's so much shit, you know? Like, it's crazy. Like, once you open up, you'll see it, you know what I'm saying? I'm like a motor mouth. Hey, I should have a podcast time and just talk about different things. Like,
On Patreon, they won't let you talk about the stuff we talk about.
I know, bro. And it's not only about conspiracies. Like, I love boxing. I love UFC. Bro, I can talk about that. I can talk about music. I can talk about skating. I can talk about cars, bro. Like, I'm pretty knowledgeable with cars. Like, I know a lot of shit about cars. If I had the right space and the right tools and everything, I would be like 100% working my own property.
Don't stop with a long CPs on my neck. I shine in the don't want you to fall walking.
Shout out my nigga Mees, VC, OT. One time on the punt, bitch. One take though. One take four. Look. Niggas wanna smoke in the summer. I guess we hotboxing. They starting to think I'm from Houston. The way I pop rockets with the fighting and the busting. Yeah, we pop lock.
So we made it to the destination because I kind of looked up the wrong place. But we found a new spot. We're at this little cafe by the bay, right there. And then for breakfast, what we're eating is some matcha. Well, I got a matcha acai bowl, and then she got a original. Yeah, so we're about to eat that, and then we were trying to get some coffee too, but that shit was closed.
It closes at 2.
Yeah.
Who does that?
Do this. What we like to do is just walk around like nice houses and kind of manifest and see all this shit. So, you know, it's like motivation. The type of shit we be doing. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
like we don't really sit at home and watch TV or movies together all day. Like, we like to go like explore. You know, like that's what. So we got it. The matcha acai bowl and her original. Shit fire. Well, I'm not saying this shit's fire and I haven't even had it. So, we'll taste this. Shit fire, the matcha, amazing.
And I've been in Milan anyway.
So we're gonna go a little stroll through this little nice little beach neighborhood. Enjoy the,
Mission Bay.
you know, little Instagram.
Made a couple moves, got some money in my hands, and I'm only looking forward. I ain't worried about the past. You gon' make it make sense, or it's gon' knock you on your ass, huh? Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up the walk hard. Running plays, getting paid for these past weeks. I grind hard, ball out, we some athletes. Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up the walk hard. Running plays, getting paid for these past weeks. I grind hard, ball out, we some athletes.
So I found my future home. It's for sale. How much y'all think? How do I look like? Yep, I look like I belong here. My car would be right there with a. Woo. I didn't even notice it. made it to the Gaslamp Quarter. So pretty much here's like, I guess where they have like the Petco Park, which is like the little baseball field team thing, whatever. I used to love Spaghetti Factory.
I never been.
So it's dope. I mean, as a kid, but you know, as a kid, I never tried like good shit, you know. So what do I know? All I ate was mac and cheese and nuggets, pizza and mac and cheese, you know. Like my parents would hate when we go to Vegas and we go to the buffet, and all I would get was like pizza, chicken tenders, macaroni and cheese. Yeah, my dad would tell me that shit. Nighttime it looks dope over here because like all the lights are on and all the yada
City
yada
where
yada.
you stupid if you don't pack heat. Blow it down, man, I'm finna take a vacation. I can't wait for shit, got no patience. Niggas playing both sides like a double agent. I don't like them, we don't speak, no conversation. Police catch you, you gon' sing like the Temptations. It's a code to the streets, better not break it. Keep an eye on your bitch, cause I might take her. She on the phone talking about how I'm so amazing. Look. Right there. Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up the water.